Hey, has anyone seen the field? It's getting smaller. This is Shrinking Field. Here we're developing team attacking and defending skills with a small-sided game that makes it progressively harder for the attacking team to score. Use 4 cones to create a grid with a goal or pair of cones on each end line. Divide players into teams of 3, 4, or more. You can even play an odd number by giving one side an extra attacker or making one player all-time offense. Here, we're playing 3v3. Here's how it looks. Players scrimmage but without goalies. As in other scrimmages, players score by kicking the ball into an opponent's goal or through the cones below knee height. There are no corners or throw-ins, and if a ball goes out of bounds, it's a kick-in. Easy, right? Not so fast. For each minute gone by, we move each touchline in by 3 steps. This narrower space will force your players to make decisions more quickly, and probably a few mistakes along the way. No worries, that's the point. We're mimicking the situation of playing in tighter spaces and under pressure. And with less latitude for attackers, defenders gain an advantage. The team with the most goals after 3 minutes wins the round. Coaches, emphasize the shielding and passing techniques you've worked on in practice here. As much as possible, we want attackers working together to get past defenders. Encourage defenders to get compact to stop the attack as a team and recover the ball, like that. Remember, shield the ball. Pass to a teammate, stop the attack. Say hello to our little field.